Because of objects that were pulled out from the officers, so I couldn't show a lot. My bad, y'all. So I'm the guy in the car. What car? The truck? Y'all will see the clip of him getting pulled down when I post it. No, you're good. You sound like you're getting like completely restricted. Good thing I'm not crying because I'd be angry because I know the laws very well. It would be like, Oh, what does it say? 2 of them? Here, I got you.
Bullying. Harassment and bullying.
They're bullying me. Alright, so he's kind of self-arresting himself at this point. He's self-arresting at this point. They asked him to stand up. They're going to detain him, but they're not putting him in cuffs.
So they asked me.
Wicked Media, but he's going to be showing the same amount of stuff that I'm showing. So he practically self-arrested himself, so kind of forced officers to actually put him in handcuffs because he wasn't listening to them. He just wanted to get placed in handcuffs. So they're taking all those objects out, searching him. Now they're taking him to jail. Thank you, Jamie. I already blocked him. That's the weird part. I don't know how his messages are still coming through.
Thank you for the heart me wild. I appreciate you.
Bro, so just in time for breakfast. Oh my god, he's stuck in there.
DUI.
He's stuck in there all weekend.
Oh. No, I think...
Wait, no, they released, huh?
No, I think Phoenix does first. I don't know. I think Jamie was the one.
I know, she was telling me something about that too. Either Jamie or Jen, one of those two. I know one of them said something about
Eagle too. What happened to her? I haven't seen her in nobody's life in a minute.
Jen?
Legal Eagle?
Who's that?
Legal Eagle?
Never seen.
Yes, you have, bro. I'm telling you.
Maybe. I know the tint one.
Tint lights?
Yeah.
I just